Good morning kids. Welcome back. Now which lesson is going on? Right. Lesson number 9. Addition. Lesson number 9. Addition. In this class, we will learn fact family, addition of two-digit number with another two-digit number. At last, number story. That means solve the problem. Solve the problem. Ready? In this class, we will learn fact family. Addition of two-digit number with another two-digit number. We already learned in the last class addition of one-digit number with one digit, addition of two-digit number with one digit. In this class, we will learn addition of two-digit number with another two-digit number. Then lastly, solve the problem. First of all, fact family. What is fact family? Listen carefully. I have three numbers. Which are the three numbers? 3, 5, 8. मेरे पास तीन नंबर है. कौन सा नंबर है? 3, 5, 8. First you have to notice which is the biggest number. पहले हम लोग को देखना है कौन सा बड़ा नंबर है. Here which is the biggest number? 8 is the biggest number. In addition, the biggest number always come as an answer. That is the answer. Now, by using these numbers, we have to write addition fact. See, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Here biggest number came as an answer. Or you have to arrange first two numbers. You have to change first two numbers. That means 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This is known as addition fact. Here I used only these numbers. By using these numbers, I arranged the numbers and made it addition fact. An addition fact can be changed to a subtraction fact. This is addition fact. We have to write using this addition fact, subtraction fact. In subtraction, biggest number, always biggest number come first. Here biggest number 8. In subtraction symbol is this. 8 minus 5 is equal to, which number is remaining? 3. Then 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. See, listen. By using these words, I made your addition fact and subtraction fact. मैं ये यूज करके, ये नंबर्स यूज करके एडिशन फैक्ट, 2 एडिशन फैक्ट भी लिखा, 2 सब्ट्रैक्शन फैक्ट भी लिखा। देखो बराबर क्लियरली देखो, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This is in subtraction fact, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. See here, in both fact, I used only these numbers. So what I have done? Only changed the place of the numbers. In fact, an addition fact has two subtraction facts. That means 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. By using this addition fact, we can make two subtraction fact. Which are the subtraction facts? 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. This is subtraction fact. An addition fact has two subtraction facts. This is addition fact. Here which symbol came? Add symbol came. Plus symbol came. That means addition fact. By using addition fact, we can make two subtraction facts. See the symbol here? I gave here minus symbol gave. So this is called subtraction fact. Like that, subtraction fact has two addition facts. For example, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. This is what is this method? This fact which is the fact? Subtraction fact. By using this subtraction fact, we can make two addition fact. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. This is addition facts. Let's practice with the more examples. Say first one, 4, 2, 6. By using these numbers, we have to write addition facts and subtraction facts. Subtraction facts. In addition, which number come first? Small numbers come first. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. In subtraction fact, big number come first. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Shall I take one more examples? Okay. 3 plus 7, 3, 7 and 10. Addition fact and subtraction fact. In addition fact, small numbers come first. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. In subtraction, biggest number come first. Change the symbol. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Got it? Next topic is, are you ready? Next topic, what is the next topic I told you earlier? Next topic is addition of two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers. For example, 46 plus 23 is equal to what? This is the first question. 46 plus 23. What do we have to do first? We have to write T for tens and O for ones. Then write first number. Here first number is 46. 4 in the place of 10 and 6 in the place of ones. Now which number? Next, which is the number? 23. And 2 in the place of tens and 3 in the place of ones. Now next, which symbol you have to write here? Yes, it goes outside of the place value. Plus. Now from which sides we have to start addition? We have to start from one side. Here in ones place, which are the numbers given here? 6 and 3. We have to write 6 plus 3. First we have to take out 3 in your finger and 6 keep in your mind. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Which answer I got here? 9. So write 9 in the ones place. Next number 4 and 2. Biggest number keep in your mind and take out 2 in your finger. After 4, 5 and 6. 6. This is the answer 69. 46 plus 23. What is the answer? What is the sum? 69. One more example. 34 plus 25. Now, first we have to write T O. Now, write the numbers in vertical. 34, 25. Then write plus symbol. Start from ones place. 4, 5. Biggest number 5 is the biggest number. So keep 5 in your mind and take out 4 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Now move to tens place. Which are the numbers given in tens place? 3 and 2. Which is the biggest number? 3 is the biggest number. So take 2 in your finger. After 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer I got here? 59. Now one more example. Question number 3. 42 plus 37. Write T O. What is the first number? 4, 2. Second number 3, 7. Put plus symbol. Let's start addition. First start from ones place, which is the biggest number. 7 is the biggest number. So you have to keep 7 in your mind and take out 2 in your finger. After 7, 8, 9. Write 9 in ones place and move to tens place. Tens place, which are the numbers? 4 and 3. Which is the biggest number? 4. is the biggest number. So you have to keep 4 in your mind and take out 3 in your finger. After 4, 5. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 write in tens place. What is the answer I got here? 79. Clear? Addition of 2-digit number. Understood? Very good. Now, next topic is number stories. Solve the problem. Solve the problem. Here I will write question. Raj has 13 blue marbles and 4 red marbles. How many marbles does he have altogether? See the question. Raj has 13 blue marbles. What is the meaning? राज के पास कितना ब्लू मार्बल है? 13. And 4 red marbles. कितना रेड मार्बल्स है? 4. What is the question? How many marbles does he have all together? All together means putting together. So we have to add both the numbers. So we have to get total number of marbles he has. First we have to write statement. First statement is number of blue marbles. Is equal to what? Number of red marbles is equal to what? Total number of marbles. That is the question that we have to find. Okay. See here, number of blue marbles. Blue marbles, which number came? 13. So you have to write 13 here. First step over. Now second step, number of red marbles. Which number came here? 4. So we have to write 4 in the second step. 13 plus 4. Now T-O. Here first number, pick out first number 1, 3, 13. Second number 4 plus 3 plus 4, 7. 1 plus 0, 1. What is the answer? How many marbles he has? 17 marbles. Raj has 17 marbles. This is the answer. Can I take one more example? Okay. Question number 2. Anne has 25 apples and 12 mangoes. How many fruits does she have together. This is the second question. Ant has 25 apples and 12 mangoes. Ant के पास क्या क्या है? 25 apples भी है, 12 mangoes भी है. What we have to find? How many fruits that she have all together? कितना fruits है? कितना fruits means apples और mangoes दोनों मिला के कितना है? What is the first step? What number came here? Number of apples. Now second step, number of mangoes. Now we have to find total number of fruits. That we have to find number of fruits. T-O. First you have to write number of apples. Number of apples, you have to write 25 in the first step. Number of mangoes, how many mangoes are here? 12 mangoes. So you have to write 12 in the second step. Now you have to write 25 and 12 here. Now plus it. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. What is the answer? 37. So I have to write Anne has 37 fruits. Clear? Very good. Now you have homework. Homework 9.1, page number 120. 9.2, 121. 9.3, page number 123 and 124. 9.4, page number 124. 9.5, 125 and 126 in your test book. This is your homework. 91.2, 99.5.